Hey guys, today we're trying out this sanding belt cleaner. These are supposed to clean your sanding belts, keeping them from clogging up and allowing you to get up to 5 times the life out of them. You can get these from Harbor Freight, but I was able to get mine for free at a WNBA game. People were just throwing them out onto the court during the game for some reason. It's kind of squishy and a little bit floppy. It almost feels like cheese. Let's get this over to the rigid and we'll see if we can clean off its sanding belt. You can see we got quite a bit of buildup here. I'll go ahead and turn the sander on. And from what I've read, you're supposed to go at it from an angle, so we'll try that. Okay. Whoa. Seems like you gotta keep a firm pressure on it, but it does appear to be cleaning off the belt. Yeah, look at that. The belt looks almost new again. And it's barely worn any rubber off of the cleaner. Let's try it out on something else. Will it work on one of these oscillating sheet sanders? I'll just clean off half the sheet so we can see the difference. There we go. Yeah, this half is cleaned up like new, and this half is still clogged up. Now, I am curious if this can be used manually on a non-power tool. I like these foam sanding blocks for their convenience, but they always seem to get clogged up too soon. I'll try and manually scrub it with a cleaner. Nah. Well, maybe if you get some rhythm going. It's not really easy to scrub it with this manually. Let's flip it over and I'll try going side to side instead. Yeah, that is much easier. So this will definitely come in handy for extending the life of these foam sanding blocks. Harbor Freight sells these cleaners for $8.99, so it might be a good candidate for whenever they do another one of those 30% off items under $10 sales. Otherwise, there are plenty of other brands selling them on Amazon. PowerTech has a 2-pack for $15.99. And then I found this Abrastical brand for $8.99. I might pick one of these up just because of the goofy brand name, Abrastical. Anyway, I'll put links in the video description, but as always, shop around and see if you can find a better price before ordering. I'm pretty sure all of these are the exact same thing. They're made from crepe rubber, which is a natural form of rubber, and apparently is what shoe soles used to be made of. So you might be able to get one of these for free if you have an old pair of shoes lying around that you were going to throw out anyway. These are also supposed to be really good for cleaning off grip tape. So let me know what other uses you can think of for these in the comments below. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. See you later. Bye.